Latest enhancement of meter reading module. Earlier in the meter reading, you have to map the meters for an asset separately. That is, for single asset you could map only single meters. But with this latest release, you can update single asset with multiple meters and with their different type of units and mention the threshold ranges. Now you could trigger the threshold. When the threshold exceeds, you could trigger it by work request or work order. When you generate it as a work order, it can be directly assigned to a particular operator or a technician. And while entering the daily reading, you could see the last reading which has been captured. And in the history page, you can see the table format of the particular meter, and you can differentiate and see the different type of meters. And there will be an option, you could see the chart as well. And now the meter reading can be created as a daily schedule. That is, you can map the meter reading in the workflows by enabling the icon in the workflow. And once you enable this icon, the meter reading can be entered in your daily schedules. So when you create your daily task, and if you try to update it on a daily basis, you could see an option at the bottom, plus add reading. So in this page, you can add the meter readings by seeing the last reading of the particular meters. And this daily task can be done in mobile application as well. So in the mobile application also, you could enter the daily task by clicking your button called add meter. And in this page, you can enter the daily reading while you are doing your daily task. So this will help you to complete the daily task as well as your meter readings. This will be a single time entry by capturing all your informations. And it will be a real time data monitoring for your assets. So you could also see this meter reading in the asset master. So when you click on the asset information, and if you see the meter reading option, you could see the latest reading and the particular threshold ranges for that particular asset. So in the basic information itself, you can see the readings also. So this will make the user to complete their task quickly, efficiently, and in one time they can do both their tasks. No need to separately go to a meter reading page and update their daily readings. I hope this latest update would be very helpful. Thank you.